In this video, how to get extended security updates for one additional year on Windows 10. On October 14, 2025, support for Windows 10 will end. This means Microsoft will no longer provide technical help, feature updates, or security updates for the operating system. If your computer meets the requirements for Windows 11, you will see an option to upgrade to Windows 11 for free. For those who cannot upgrade to Windows 11, Microsoft offers Extended Security Updates ESU. This allows them to continue receiving security updates for a limited time. First, open Windows Settings. Select Update and Security. To be eligible for the Windows 10 Extended Security Updates program, please ensure all available updates are installed through Windows Update. Once all the latest updates are installed, you can sign up for ESU. Click on the Enroll Now option. Click the Next button to go to the next screen. Now, sign in with a Microsoft account. If you do not have one, let's create a new one. You might see three options to get an additional year of support. The first option is to back up your Windows settings to your Microsoft account. The second option is to use 1,000 Microsoft Rewards points. And the last option is to pay $30. The first and easiest method is backing up your Windows settings to your Microsoft account. Click on the Enroll button to continue. You will now see a screen confirming that your device is enrolled in the Windows 10 ESU program until October 13, 2026, which is when it ends. Microsoft may also suggest backing up your device using the Windows Backup program, but this is optional. In Windows Update, you will see your PC is enrolled to get extended security updates. If you do not want to sync Windows with your Microsoft account, you can sign out of it from your computer and disable Windows Backup as well. In some cases, when enrolling for ESU, you might only see one option. This happens because, after signing in, Windows 10 automatically backs up your settings by default, unless you have turned this feature off in Settings. So, to see more options, we need to disable Windows Backup and try enrolling again. The second method is using 1,000 Microsoft Rewards points. You can earn Microsoft Rewards points by searching with Bing on your PC or mobile, completing daily quizzes, polls, and tasks, or playing games and completing quests on Xbox or Game Pass. You can also earn points by shopping at the Microsoft Store. For a new account, you can earn 1,000 points within a week. In Microsoft Rewards, you will see the order history for Windows 10 ESU. And if you prefer to use only a local account, you can disconnect your Microsoft account from your computer and disable Windows Backup. You can see that even after signing out your Microsoft account and disabling Windows Backup, your PC is still enrolled to receive extended security updates. If you are not using the free option, you will see a screen asking you to pay $30 for the enrollment. You can use a credit card, e-wallet, or redeem a gift card to complete the purchase. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.